Packaged units are complete systems that have all of its components housed in one unit. These systems do not require field-installed refrigerant lines, but they do need power brought to them, and in many cases need to have control wiring installed to the thermostat. Air-cooled, packaged air conditioning systems contain several components, including the compressor, condenser fan motor, evaporator fan motor, and all necessary controls. The wiring diagram of a simple air-cooled package unit is shown here. This unit has an indoor fan relay to control the operation of the evaporator fan motor and a contactor that controls the operation of the compressor and condenser fan motor. The thermostat controls the operation of the fan relay and the contactor coil. When the indoor fan relay coil is energized, the IFR contacts in the circuit will close, energizing the evaporator fan motor. When the thermostat calls for compressor operation, the compressor contactor coil is energized, closing the C contact, energizing the compressor and condenser fan motor. Packaged units that are equipped with gas heating are somewhat more complex than the simple packaged unit we've just described. These systems include the control module that helps ensure proper operation of the gas system, as well as the components that are present in the air conditioning portion of the system. Packaged units are often equipped with remote condensers. On these systems, there must be interconnecting wiring between the unit and the condenser's remote location. The wire diagram of a typical air-cooled package unit with the remote condenser is shown here. This unit has a line voltage switch and a line voltage thermostat. Notice that in this unit, all the wiring is done at the factory, with the exception of the wiring to the condenser fan motor. Some packaged units are of the water-cooled variety and rely on a water source, such as a cooling tower, to absorb the heat that's rejected from the system. In order for the system to operate, the cooling tower must be operational. Water-cooled packaged units often have the thermostat built into the unit itself, requiring only the installation of the line voltage power supply. The wiring diagram for a simple water-cooled package system is shown here. This system has a line voltage switch and thermostat to control the operation of the unit. In order for the compressor to become energized, the thermostat must be called for cooling, the high and low pressure switches must be in the closed position, and the cooling tower must be operating. The contacts labeled CWI are closed when the cooling tower is energized.